Hey, this is Edgar Preciado, LLC. This is today's bee removal coming off of this saguaro here. My son says he thinks he sees a problem. What's that?
I see ants crawling on it.
Oh, alright. Yeah, we think this might be a dying hive, so we're going to try to see if we can rescue it, see if there's a queen in it or anything like that. But yeah, it looks like there's a... They don't seem too aggressive. I'm not seeing any eggs in it or anything, but there's a couple bees, so we're going to see if we can rescue it. Let me get everything set up and we'll get started. Alright, yeah, it's mellow, so
That's good.
that's good. We're going to just try kind of removing comb. Yeah, I see capped honey. No sign of brood, so I think they're going to be queenless.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright. Alright. That should be good. Great. Ready?
Yeah. I had my glove off when they started
did you?
flying towards me, yeah.
Did you get stung?
No.
Yeah, they didn't like that one bit. So I thought this was dead hive, but it looks like they're actually inside the saguaro. I don't know, see if I can zoom in. See right there, they're coming out of there, and they're definitely not happy. They're not as aggressive as the ones we dealt with yesterday, but they're still pretty aggressive. Gotten a couple stings through the gloves. Nothing too bad. This is what we have removed out here. I don't know how far in on the saguaro they go. Looks like right there we might have a hole. So I don't know how we're going to do this without destroying the saguaro. It's going to be possible, but we shall see. This wind isn't helping out. Doesn't have to be too long, just a quick. All right. You still video?
Yeah.
It didn't have to be that long, just to... Alright, so we just ended up covering up. I put plastic in there and covered it up some and went from there. Got a little bit stung, not too bad, right there on my arm, or hand. But it happened, so hopefully that works. If not, I told him to give me a call, let me know, and we'll come back and fix it.